Ashley, I love it when you come to work and you bring with you a gospel choir. What do you got?
Well, Bill, I am excited to welcome back the Chosen Generation Alliance Choir from Jersey City. They were here with us before when we were talking about Gospel Fest, which airs on WWOR My 9, and we are going to have Gospel Fest again on our station this year. But right now we're in for a real treat. They are here for us to enjoy some Christmas carols, and we're going to start with Joy to the World. I want these guys to just do what you guys do best.
First of all, that was absolutely outstanding. But I have to ask you, how in demand are you as a gospel choir?
We have actually, since Gospel Fest, we have really grown. The growth in our choir, as far as the people in the choir has grown as well. But then we have a whole lot of engagements. We have like 2 or 5 or 6 engagements a month. So it's like we're constantly going here, all across the state of New Jersey. So we're growing. The choir is growing, so we're doing
what's
great.
the state of gospel choirs now? Is it fading out? Is it growing?
What I think is that we're pushing it on back on out there. Yeah, you know, the gospel choirs have faded out a little bit, you know, but we're trying to get that back out there, that gospel sound. That's what we're trying to do.
What do you want to sing us out with?
Emmanuel.
All right, let's hear it.